Nakamta ki video hakeleng ka perthai. Subscribe yu Pyllait Naphang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel. Watla uyu Kren tang kendit minit. Henry ki jing Kren jong doktor ki ha parlimen. Kilong ki basyong ni bat ki ba koridor. Hakabu la Kren syapang ki kynram ki balami han NEHU. Hakabai day bat ki jing ki jong ki samla pule. Ki nong hikai bat ki non teaching staff. Bandawa weng yu vice chancellor kan NEHU. U profesor Prabha Shukla. Kumta u doktor ki ula dawa naka education ministry jongka sarkar India. Ban weng no ya u vice chancellor BYNTA jongka NEHU. Namar kala penthut ya ka jingpule jongki khna.
माननीय सदस्य श्री रिकी एड्यू सिक्कोन जी.
Madam Chairperson, through you I would like to draw the attention of this vexed and pertinent issue concerning Northeastern Hill University, one of the only central university in Northeast at one point of time. Today, Madam, this university which with a motto to rise up and build. Today, Madam, when we look at the condition of this university, it is in total disarray. And the reason for this is because of the leadership crisis that the university is facing. Madam, the incompetency of the present VC has led to protests by students, teachers, and non-teaching staff of this university, and has brought this university to a standstill. For the last couple of months, this university has been greatly affected in terms of teaching and research, which is the prime objective of any learning institution. Therefore, Madam, through you, I would like to urge upon the concerned ministry to take up this matter seriously by removing this VC who is